you ever thought about blogging? What is the purpose of blogging for your business? Especially for those of you that have heard about blogging, maybe you've considered doing it, but you haven't really jumped full force into it. Well, number one, it creates credibility and authority in your industry and in your niche. So, if you are writing about your industry and your niche or topics related to it on a consistent basis and giving your take and giving your input or analyzing certain things or teaching and giving people value through your written word through a blog, this will continuously grow your credibility and authority. It also increases your visibility and SEO or search engine, I should say SER, search engine ranking. So, by writing consistently, especially if you do this on your own personal website, you are allowing the Google crawlers that whenever but anybody goes to search anything on the internet, if your blog contains the keywords that are being searched, you have a higher probability of your blog showing up as a search result or one of these search results that Google, Bing, Yahoo recommends to people when they are searching. So obviously, the more content that you're posting, the more frequently that you are posting, the more opportunity you have for your content to be seen. The third thing is that it engages your audience and it builds community. If you're doing longer form content, you're exposing yourself to your people more than you are with a quick pop up, a quick blurb, a quick videos, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. You are really sharing more of your mind, your words, your thoughts, your intake. And it really cultivates an awesome community if you know how to bring that community together through email marketing, through Facebook groups, or other platforms like Discord, so on and so forth. The next thing is the opportunity to monetize your blog. If you can prove that you have a certain amount of subscribers or readers on an ongoing basis, or you're growing an email list that's tied into your blogging efforts, then you can leverage that for a brand collaboration, for monetization. So you can do affiliate linking if you are an affiliate with, oh my gosh, you can be an affiliate basically with anything and everything these days. I think I'm an affiliate with everything that I use and love, because why wouldn't I be? If I love it and I'm using it and I'm going to share it with other people, then yeah, I mean, I'll take a kickback, wouldn't you? It's sharing things that you love and the company rewarding you in that share. So you can do affiliate marketing, you can do brand collaborations, you can guest blog on other people's blogs. Another reason why you would want to blog in 2024 or ever for that matter would be to enhance your social media strategies. A lot of the blogs that I write, we repurpose those into social media posts. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a multi business owner, I'm a podcaster, and now diving in more into my YouTube channel. I'm doing all these things. I don't have the time to recreate different pieces of content for different social media platforms every single day and generate new ideas and concepts and all of that jazz. Why not take my efforts from a single blog that I'm writing and chop that up into bits and pieces of social media content that can go to X, that can go to Threads, that can go to Instagram and LinkedIn and Facebook? And why not do that? Let's talk now about how you can get started, because it's actually very simple. The first thing is identifying your purpose and your audience, but then the next thing after that would be identifying your content pillars. So your content pillars, or sometimes you might hear me say this, content buckets. They are basically the topics and the areas that you specialize in, that you could go on and on and on about every single day. And for me, that is social media, branding, digital marketing, and business streamlining. Having a clear purpose and then knowing your audience is really the foundation to any blog and really anything when it comes to business. Because if you don't know that, then you're not really going to know what the heck you're writing about, who you're writing to, and why you're writing to them. So the next thing is to choose a platform. Many of them you've already heard of. And honestly, one of the things that I'm so good at doing is trying every flipping platform, every piece of technology out there. I feel like I try everything, and I look like I'm very unstable. I look like I'm very unstable because I'm always jumping to different platforms. But if you know something about me, I always go back to my favorites, right? And all of these that I'm going to mention to you right now, I have tried, I have used. But, anyways, platforms, WordPress. Okay, WordPress is pretty much a standard go to platform. It's very flexible, and the customization of the platform is awesome. Squarespace, it's very user friendly. It's a drag and drop platform. I love Squarespace. You will see a lot of the female entrepreneurs go towards Squarespace. I was on Squarespace for a while. And then we are now on Wix, and that is my third platform. It's easy to use. It's a drag and drop system. It's functional. I get good traffic on Wix, and I just love how everything on Wix, especially if you're a website designer or a website developer, you're going to go more towards like the WordPress route. But if you know web design and know web developing, but can also appreciate the drag and drop simplicity of templates, then Wix is going to be your jam. The next two are favorites among, I would say, many people that are bloggers. They're up there in regards to the blogging world, and that is Medium and Blogger, which is an Google integrated platform that is very simple. Let's go back to how to get started. So you've chosen your purpose, you've chosen your audience, you've chosen your content pillars, you've now chosen your platform on where you want to post. And then the next thing is creating a content strategy. So, remember at the beginning of this video when I told you when I was blogging years ago, I kind of bit off more than I could chew? Well, that was the case. I committed to blogging Monday, Wednesday, and Friday every single week. I thought that that was going to really increase my SEO efforts, really increase my SER, search engine ranking, really drive more organic traffic, ultimately make me more money. But what I was not prepared for is how flipping exhausting it is. If blogging is your sole focus in 2024, you could probably crush this out, specifically now with the help of ChatGPT. My goodness, ChatGPT can write blogs for people like in a matter of seconds. This might be easier today than what it was a few years ago, but I exhausted myself. So once you get started, the next thing is you're going to want to look at a calendar, whether it's a week or a month, and you're going to want to map out a strategy. If I'm posting on Wednesday for my blog, or I'm posting on Monday and Wednesday for my blog, then when do I have to have the blogs written by? When can I spend time chopping up that content that I just wrote and redistributing it and cross pollinating it on other social media platforms? Where are you even going to be showing up on social media? All of this stuff has to go into your content strategy. Then, after you've got this all ironed out, you want to start writing your blog. But, Whitney, I have complete writer's block. I'm stuck. What do I even do? How do I even do it? And what do I even talk about? Well, go back to your content pillars. Then, what I would recommend, use the fabulous flipping tool that we have right now today and ChatGPT. Ultimately, if you're using the skill set of ChatGPT as well with yourself, you can create a blog very, very quickly. There is so much power in today's tools with AI that can help you position yourself as a credible industry leading blogger. You just have to take the time to get started. And there's so many benefits to it. I think the number one benefit that I have come to realize today is the repurposing efforts of a blog. I don't know about you, but I am all about writing one long blog and taking that single blog and chopping it up into 15 different posts for Instagram. 5 posts for Instagram, 5 posts for LinkedIn, and 5 posts for Facebook, wherever you want to show up, and breaking it down into like 30 different X posts. I don't even know what we call those anymore. They're not tweets. What are those? Does anybody know? Let me know, because I still don't even know what we call those things. Thread posts. There you can take so much content from your blogging efforts and repost it across so many social media platforms. It is ridiculous. That alone should be purpose enough for you to write a blog or get started writing a blog in 2024.